Welcome back, fam. It's your favorite chef, Teresa here, and I'm here to bring you an easy Alfredo recipe. This Alfredo is gonna be better than Olive Garden. No more spending 12, 15 bucks on plates of pasta. You're gonna bring Fettuccine Alfredo to your family right to your own home kitchen. I've already prepared my spaghetti, so now we're gonna do a quick run through of the ingredients. For our ingredients, we have butter, heavy cream, chicken broth, cubed cream cheese, grated parmesan, garlic powder, a pinch of salt and pepper with Himalayan salt, 5 cloves of crushed garlic. For our finishing ingredients, we have fresh grated parmesan and fresh parsley. First, you're going to take a chunk of your butter, drop it into your pan on low to medium heat. Let it melt. Then you're going to add in your garlic. This is the fresh garlic. You're going to saute the garlic until it's lightly browned. Now that our garlic is browned, we're going to add in the rest of the butter. So now we're going to stir in heavy cream, chicken broth, the cubed cream cheese, and we're going to take our whisk and whisk this until the cream cheese is all softened and one with the sauce. I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit to about medium to melt the cream cheese quicker. You want to be cautious of leaving your heat up too high for too long when cooking an Alfredo because your sauce could curdle. We're going to dump the grated Parmesan cheese in this nice creamy sauce. The finishing salt and pepper and garlic powder, which I'm going to dump in now, garlic powder. Because I love garlic, and garlic in this Alfredo sauce, just some extra garlic flavor. Tastes delightful, delicious. Lastly, we're just going to finish with a pinch of salt and pepper. And just continue to whisk until it's all creamy and smooth. And voila, you have better than Olive Garden Alfredo. I grabbed my pasta, now I'm ready to top it with the Alfredo. Then you're going to sprinkle a little of this fresh grated Parmesan cheese and the parsley. And there you have it. Bon appetit! See you next time!